Good morning, students. Welcome to our channel. In this session, I am going to solve exercise number 2.2 of NCERT book. In this exercise, we have to evaluate the value of a given polynomial. So let us see how we can evaluate the value of a given polynomial. इस एक्सरसाइज में आइए हम जानते हैं कैसे हम जो पॉलिनोमियल कोई दिया हुआ है उसके वैल्यू को इवैल्यूएट करते हैं। ठीक है, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट। हियर वी हैव क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 ऑफ एनसीईआरटी बुक। फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x is equal to 0. So here is the solution. Let us say let px equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3, which is the given polynomial. So here we have to evaluate the value at x is equal to 0. So we have to put 0 in place of x. So here, so at x is equal to 0, p, here we see x inside the bracket, a small bracket, so we write here p0 is equal to 5. Here we see 5x means 5 into x, 5 into x, the value of x, here we have to put 0. So 5 into 0 minus 4x square means 4 into 0 to the power whole square plus 3. It means this term becomes 0 minus this terms also becomes 0 plus 3. It becomes 3. So the value of x at x is equal to 0 be 3 for this polynomial. In the same way, we can evaluate its value at x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 2. Here, for any polynomial, the value at x is equal to 0 when the value of a given polynomial at a particular value of x be 0, then we call the value of x, we call the value as the zeros of the polynomial. जब किसी भी कोई वैल्यू 0 x का हम पॉलिनोमियल में पुट करते हैं और वो उसका वैल्यू 0 आ जाता है, x का जो हम देते हैं नंबर वो अगर पुट करने के बाद 0 आ जाता है तो उसे हम उस x के वैल्यू को हम जीरोज ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल कहते हैं। ठीक है, नाउ रेस्ट क्वेश्चन you can answer question number 1, 2 and 3. Now question number 2. This is the question number 1. Now question number 2. Simple. Find P0, P1 and P2. Means we have to find the value of x at 0, 1 and 2. Here we see question number 1, Py is equal to y square minus y plus 1. Means this algebraic expression or the polynomial has the variable y. So we put the value of y is equal to 0 here and evaluate its value. What will be the result? We see here. Here Py is equal to y square minus y plus 1. Therefore P0 is equal to, we have to put the value of y here as 0. 0 square minus 0 plus 1 equal to 0 minus 0 plus 1 means 1. In the same way we can evaluate P1 is equal to 1 square minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 square becomes 1 minus 1 plus 1 is equal to, this one will be cancelled by this one and the answer will be 1. So P0 is also 1 and P1 is also 1. Again we see P2 equal to 2 square minus 2 plus 1 equals to 4 minus 2 plus 1 equal to 2 plus 1 equal to 3. This is the answer. In the same way we can calculate all this problem. We can solve all this problem. Now come to question number 3. Verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial. Here the indicated against them. Here we have to evaluate px is equal to 3x plus 1. This is the polynomial and we have to see whether at x is equal to 1 by 2 is the zeros of the polynomial or not. It will be zeros of the polynomial if after evaluating the polynomial by giving the value of x is equal to 1 by 2 we get 0. अगर हम x को 1 by 3 अगर वैल्यू पुट करें इसमें पॉलिनोमियल में और इसको इवेलुएट करने के बाद वैल्यू 0 आ जाए, इवेलुएट करने के बाद ये 0 आ जाए तो हम कहेंगे कि ये x इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस 1 बाई 3 पे इस पॉलिनोमियल, ये पॉलिनोमियल जीरोज है ना. सो लेट अस सी. The polynomial is 3x plus 1. So px is equal to 3x plus 1. So at x is equal to minus 1 by 3, p minus 1 by 3 becomes 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1 is equal to, this becomes minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. So we see the value as 0. So this is the zeros of the polynomial. So x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is the zeros of the polynomial. Now we can solve the rest problem of question number 3 in the same way. Now question number 4. Find the zero of the polynomial in each of the following cases. Zero, you have to evaluate the zero of the polynomial. यहाँ पे polynomial का zero पता करना है. So let us see question number 1. मान लेते हैं सबसे पहले जीरो हमको पता करना है, तो मान लेते हैं ये जो पॉलिनोमियल है वो इक्वल टू जीरो ही है, और उससे x का जो वैल्यू आएगा वही पुट कर देंगे तो जीरो निकल जाएगा. ठीक है. x इज इक्वल x प्लस 5 इज द एक्सप्रेशन. लेट अस स्टार्ट. हियर px इज इक्वल टू x प्लस 5. We have to evaluate p0 is equal to what? Sorry, what? Let x plus 5 is equal to 0. इवेल्युएट करने के बाद तो जीरो आना चाहिए. x का वैल्यू तो हम इसको जीरो मान लेते हैं. सो x इज इक्वल टू -5. अब देख लेते हैं सही है या नहीं. तो p -5 इवेल्युएट करके देख लेते हैं. -5 + 5 इज इक्वल टू 0. सो zero of the polynomial is -5. In the same way, you can evaluate all the problem. Now let us see question number 7 of 4. Question number 7. This is the question number 1. Px is equal to Cx plus D, and C is not equal to 0 and CD are real numbers. So here we have to evaluate zeros of the polynomial. P0 is equal to what? Let Cx plus D is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to Cx is equal to minus D. Therefore x is equal to minus D by C. Now verify it. P minus D by C becomes C into minus D by C plus D. So minus D plus D is equal to 0. So zeros of the polynomial is minus d by c. So in the same way you can solve all the problem, and if you have any problem in exercise 2.2 you can contact. Till then, bye, have a nice day.